Black Moon Jesus. Epic day. Epic weekend. I don't know how many times I've said this, but we have all only had help since February 28th. And so much has changed since February 28th that we are just about to start a new life, completely renewed and de-roboted with new parts to our avatars. No more body on the other side. It's all right here. It's all intended now. There's no more astrology. But there will still be intended from the great creator at the highest level, will be creating timelines that are only supportive. And beginning this weekend, we're going to switch into a timeline that is built off of sound instead of light. And it's going to make us feel like we have more power, that we have the ability to move our bodies better, to not be so tired, that the human is more important than anything outside of this reality. It was the other way around. So this weekend is the switch into a new timeline, an individual timeline that is restorative, supportive, and completely based off of the cogitations of each individual for desires, for community, for unity. So pretty things.